Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 116655. This watch contains a random serial number indicating it was produced by Rolex in the year 2017 or later. The characteristics include a black rubber Oysterflex strap with an 18-karat everose gold Oysterlock clasp. The dial is black with rose gold trimmed chromalite luminous hour markers and hands. The case is 40mm, 18-karat everose gold with a black ceramic rotatable bezel, an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number, and has a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, along with an automatic 3135 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with the Rolex box, booklet, and a Rolex warranty card. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below, or by searching for Bob's Watches 116655 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.